What is up, guys? You clicked on this video to see if you can turn a ratchet strap into a wood clamp. So let's figure that out. So in this video, I'm gonna be trying to use just leftover wood to build a cutting board and use a ratchet strap as the clamp for glue up. So let's go do that. We gotta find the center. I thought I grabbed a marker. I did. So I don't have a table saw to just, you know. So I'm going to use this to cut half and just cut stuff in half and go from there. So first let's find center, which I already marked on this one. So you can see it's so much better with a marker. And I don't know where my speed square is. So I'm going to use another board as a straight edge. Maybe. I don't know how well this is gonna go. That's not it. That looks straight enough. I'm gonna get these all marked up and head over to this area. So this is what we got so far, and as you can tell, they're not even at all. I did not do a good job. Let me show you. But hopefully I can fix it whenever I sand it. So now let's get to what I came here for, and let's glue it up and use ratchet straps as a clamp. Let's see. Here's the ratchet strap we're going to use. I feel like this is time sensitive here, so I'm just going to Hurry up. Try it out. Make sure you put it in the right way. Alrighty guys, this is what I have. So I will bring it inside where it's warm and get back with the video. Alrighty, let's see how this goes. Get this off. Okay. I don't know if this had enough time to glue, but we're gonna start sanding. Right at the sander. Let's try it out. So after sanding, you can kind of tell it's slowly getting there. I'm definitely a beginner, as you know, but you can use a ratchet strap, but just make sure, because it's, you know, uneven, you know, make sure everything's straight. The only problem was that the ratchet strap, when it bunched it up, it kind of moved it up, so be careful on that. Well guys, here is the cutting board. I think this project is a lost cause, but the video was to see if you could use a ratchet strap as a wood clamp, and you can. Is it the most ethical? Probably not, but it's what we got. So, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Until next time.